Hi, I'm Keith Marvin again with the City of Coppell Engineering Department. We're out here on West Sandy Lake Road to give you a project update on where we're at since the last time we did a video. During the course of the last several months, we've been working on the underground utility components of this widening project, this major reconstruction project. We're nearly complete with the underground. We put new water lines in, we put new wastewater lines in, we put new storm drainage lines in. I know you all have dealt with this traffic as you've been trying to reach through here, drive through here. You've been pushed one way or the other while the contractor's been working on his installations. We're nearing the end of that piece, that phase of the project. What you're going to see next is some grading, some more detour work while we move traffic out of the way of the new permanent main lanes. What we'll see first, probably in the next several weeks, on the south side of the road between Denton Tap behind me and South Coppell Road to the west, you'll see us begin to add some more temporary pavement on that south side. We'll move that traffic over onto that temporary pavement, and then we'll come in, we'll tear out the existing asphalt here. We'll build what will be the permanent westbound lanes on the north side of the road. And then once those lanes are built, we'll then move traffic onto those lanes, one lane in each direction, while we tear up the detour and the rest of the old asphalt, and we'll build what would be the two eastbound lanes, so that at the end of the project we have 2 lanes in each direction. But going forward, we're still only going to have 1 lane in each direction as we build out all 4 of those lanes. Okay, we're out here on Sandy Lake Road, right across from the intersection of Cottonwood Drive, kind of the top of the hill. Those of you that experienced our recent ice events are familiar with this hill. You come up to this 3-way stop at South Coppell Road, you can't get started again because of the ice and stuff on the road. We're bringing this hill down. We're cutting the top of the hill down about 4 feet to do a couple of things. 1, to improve visibility, and 2, make those traction issues greatly reduced and quite possibly even go away altogether. We're standing right here on the south side of the road. What you'll see happening here shortly is some grading and some temporary pavement going in on this south side. Traffic will be moved over to about where we're standing while they tear out the asphalt and build the permanent westbound lanes on the north side of the road. In the background here, you see the intersection of South Coppell Road. Part of the project, of course, is to build a traffic signal at that intersection that will improve the functionality of that 3-way intersection. We'll remove that all-way stop, and it will function as a signalized intersection. In the background, you see half of the new bridge built. The south half of that bridge back there has already been constructed. We'll be moving traffic over to that piece of the bridge in the next several months while we start to rebuild, to tear down the old bridge and build the other half of the new bridge. Again, it'll be 4 lanes in each direction, including across the bridge. There'll be median, there'll be landscape, there'll be lighting on the bridge. Of course, there'll be lighting the whole way down the middle of the street, very similar to the other areas of Sandy Lake Road here in town. So we're standing out here on Sandy Lake Road. We're actually standing on top of the new bridge. This is only half of the bridge. You can see down here below me the other half of the road, the old bridge that's still in service. You can see that we've raised this grade up by about 5 feet. We had to raise this up over the creek a little bit to comply with current design standards for bridges. In the background, you can see on the north side of the road over here, temporary detour pavement is in place. We've moved traffic onto that detour. You can see in the background also they're removing the old asphalt road right now. Over the next couple of weeks, they're gonna be tearing that road out, cutting that hillside down, and probably by the end of March, you'll see new pavement going down. It would be the eastbound lanes, the 2 permanent eastbound lanes leading up to and connecting to this half of the bridge that we're standing on. Once they've got that in place, they will take the traffic off that detour and they'll put it on the 2 new lanes. You'll be coming across the new half of the bridge, and then they'll begin to tear out the old bridge so they can build the other half of the bridge. Again, when we're done here, we're going to have 4 lanes, 2 lanes in each direction. Over here on this side of the bridge, on the south side, we'll have a 8-foot hike and bike trail that will run along the road. As you get to the east side of the bridge, that hike and bike trail will follow around through Thweet Park here at the corner of South Coppell Road and Sandy Lake, and then tie into the 8-foot hike and bike trail over as part of Coppell Road. So you can see we're really making some progress out here. Over the next several months, you'll see considerably more progress being made. A lot of the work that we've done so far has been underground, and so you really haven't seen the benefit of all the work. Really, in the next several months, you'll really see work taking place, grading, shaping, concrete pavement going down. We're at a point where you're really going to be pleased to see the progress that we're making. The project in general, we're about halfway complete with it. We anticipate completion by summer of 2014. Hopefully we'll be fully complete by the time school starts up in August. Engineering Department's website on the City of Coppell's webpage has all that information. If you want to give us a call, we're more than happy to visit with you over the phone, talk to you about the project and how it might impact you.